Setting up an online store with Wix Mobile. Before we start, please note that I'm using the Wix website to set up an online store because it's easier to edit and there are some things on the app that need to be done on a desktop. I just searched wix.com and checked the desktop site on the Chrome app. At the top right corner, you'll see a button that says plus create a new site. Click that and then it will direct you to creating a new site. If you want to bring your ideas to life with AI, click Start Chat and tell AI what you want and need to build your online store. If not, you can click the Set Up Without Chat button. It will then ask you what type of website you want to create, type or click Online Store, and then choose from the options right there. It will then prepare your dashboard. Just wait for it until it's ready to start setting up your online store. Then, if you already have a store name, just type it on the box and save. Click Continue. Then, if you already have a store, just click the Yes button. If not, then click No, you're just starting out. Click Continue, and when asked what kinds of product are you selling, just choose the button that best describes your plan. Tap Continue and then just pick any of the choices on how you are offering your products. Tap Continue and then you're all set to finish setting up your online store. Tap Continue to Dashboard. Then, you can design and customize your store. You can choose a template design for your store and edit it later on. You can edit the background design, text, images, products, and other elements. After finishing setting up your store, save and preview it. If you're done, then you're all set. You can now publish your online store. So that's basically how to set up an online store with Wix Mobile. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.